Welcome to Next Frontier Estate Planning. My name is Ryan Smith. Today I'm going to talk about why estate planning is important. And the easiest way to start that conversation is to explain what estate planning is. So estate planning is essentially end-of-life planning and incapacity planning, making sure that you have your legal affairs in order, that if you become incapacitated, you're going to have the right decision makers in place so that your family doesn't have to petition a court to help with medical decisions or financial decisions for you. And also end of life, setting up a will or a trust and making clear what you want to have happen to your assets after you pass away, setting up who you want to be in charge to make sure that your assets are distributed the way that you want, and also naming any guardians for minor children if you pass away before they become adults. So why is estate planning important? Well, if you have a family that you love and care about, taking care of your estate planning will help alleviate some of the stress and difficulty that they will have in situations that are otherwise highly stressful and painful. If you have an event in your life where you become incapacitated and aren't able to make your own medical decisions, it's very stressful for family to petition the court and have the court name who's going to be responsible for helping take care of you and make those decisions for you if you're not able to do it yourself. Estate planning is also really important for end-of-life decisions. If you don't get your affairs in order and set your legal documents up, your family is going to be left in a situation where they're petitioning the court and the court is going to decide how those assets are distributed, who's going to be responsible for administering the estate, taking care of any unpaid debts, notifying creditors, all the different things that are required in the probate process. You want to make sure that you have your documents in order so that you've named your own executor, you have your own decision maker in place that's going to be responsible for properly administering your estate, and to make sure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and not how it's set out in your state's statute. So again, estate planning, along with other things like life insurance and long-term care insurance and other types of planning, are really important to take the pressure off of your family, to make sure that you're helping alleviate stress and burden from them in times that are already stressful, burdensome, and painful enough.